Hey there, fellow Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Facebook automation, where AI meets profit. Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the secrets to turning those likes and shares into cold, hard cash. Why spend hours manually scrolling through your Facebook feed when you can let AI do the heavy lifting? Automation streamlines your efforts, allowing you to focus on strategy, creativity, and most importantly, making money. Say hello to our trusty AI companion. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Our AI buddy analyzes data, schedules posts, and even predicts trends. It's the ultimate wingman for your Facebook hustle. Let's talk moolah. How can you turn those virtual thumbs ups into real-world dollars? First, affiliate marketing. Find products related to your niche, share them, and earn commissions. Cha-ching! Sponsored posts are your golden ticket. Brands pay you to showcase their goodies. Remember, authenticity matters. Only promote what aligns with your audience. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Capture leads, build your email list, and nurture those relationships. It's like planting money trees. In summary, automate, monetize, and conquer Facebook. Our AI friend has your back. Remember, consistency pays off. Now go out there, make money, and keep those likes rolling in.